Like and subscribe or Barney will hug you down in your sleep.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Boys Love Cooking with Mom. Today we are gonna make
Momos.
no momos.
Tingos.
Tingmo. Tingmo. It's a Tibetan bread. The dough is very similar to
Chinese
bread. Yeah, any kind of bread. But it is not big. It's steamed. So let's start making.
And since you guys were on me,
It's really
you
moist,
guys
huh?
can use this one cup to figure out the measurements. I'm stealing all the rest.
Ray, come back here. Okay, who's gonna measure the
I'll do it.
flour?
I'll do
No,
it.
I am. I had called the things with the two most quantities, so.
No, you
The
cannot
two
do
things
that.
with the most
You cannot do that. Okay, hold on. Wait.
500 grams. 500
Mom,
grams.
there's water on this.
Rig is measuring all-purpose flour 500 grams. If you don't have the scale, then it's
It's about 1
approximately
1/3 cup.
it's approximately 3.5 cups. Okay.
Then why do you have the 1/3 cup out?
Just to take out
Logical
just
assumptions.
Okay. Oh,
What did you say?
you
3.5?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
we
What
need
do I
to.
do?
Oh, we need to make it warm.
Three
Warm
and a half,
it 30
Mom?
seconds. 30 seconds in
3.5,
microwave.
Mom?
Oh, Mom, your phone isn't here.
What is my phone?
Safekeeping. No robber will ever find it.
Okay. So
Okay, it's warm.
no, I think it's good, Rick. I think you're just.
It keeps going above. Yes, I got it.
Mommy, should I
Okay.
pour it in?
Yes.
With the big mess up. No.
Yeah, you made a lot of mess, Rick.
Goodness comes with a price.
Okay. Oh,
Normally a very cheap one, but in this case, it's very
here.
expensive.
One tablespoon.
I call this.
Sure.
No, you can't call everything.
1 tablespoon.
I called two things.
Mom,
No,
this goes
wait,
in
The
here?
two
Hold on,
things
hold on.
with the most quantity.
Mom, this goes in here?
Yes.
Okay.
And
I call that.
Stop, Rig, stop.
Rick, stop. Don't.
You should stop whenever
Yeah,
they
that's
tell
it.
you to.
And Rick.
Oil and
sugar.
water don't mix. This is very questionable.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So sugar 1 tablespoon and oat. No. We're gonna put everything in there.
I had a little bit less.
Okay, how much?
1/4. Rick, what are you doing?
I had a little bit less than one.
But this is gonna go in there.
Yeah, I know.
Now
Overall.
Okay,
Now we have more than
1/4
one.
teaspoon.
Yes.
What the heck?
Okay, Rick.
Don't screw up.
Oat.
1
Don't screw up.
teaspoon. 1 teaspoon salt.
Okay, I'll do it.
No, Rick can do 1 teaspoon salt.
Let's go.
I nearly
And
knocked it
oat.
over.
My favorite child.
No, what are you doing? It's here. 1 teaspoon salt. You can put it in here.
Why is he adding so much sugar?
Because I'm smart and I have a
And
sweet
oat.
tooth.
You missed that.
What happened?
Okay, hold on. How much is this? How much? How
Uh,
much?
2 1/4 teaspoon.
Two.
Oh no.
Okay.
Ah, it's in my feet. Ow.
Rick, how much are you putting in there?
No, see, I spilled about a little bit on other stuff.
Beta, it's gotta be 2 salt.
But see, I put
No.
the extra sugar.
No,
So
no.
everything
Better be less salt than more.
All right.
Okay, meanwhile, Rick, so this is done. How much are you doing? Okay, yes.
1 teaspoon and then another teaspoon.
Yeah.
And then another tablespoon.
And then
And then
quarter.
a quart.
Quarter. No, just quarter.
Oops.
What is that? Okay, I don't want. You guys saying Okay, hold on. So this is we are
What is
making
my
it in.
eyes?
Hold on. Hold on. So
Why
we
in
are,
my eyes?
it's actually in your mouth too.
It's all over your shirt.
I'm so polite.
Okay, we are gonna put it in bread making
Oh,
machine. Just to make the dough. It's gonna so we need to actually make it into a soft dough and let it rise for an
And
hour.
sticky.
Why sticky?
That's what they said.
No, nobody said that. Okay, so we are gonna put it. Hold on. Before that, let me explain what we are gonna spread on top of the while we are
We're gonna
making
chop
the bun.
those.
So we are gonna.
Are these
chop
spring onions?
These are spring onions. 4 to 5 should be enough, but mine is not too big, so I have 6 here.
Careful.
And I'm gonna put some black pepper in there. Make it small, otherwise it's all gonna
It's
fall out.
huge.
That's okay. I can. We can
Yeah,
always-
you can do it. Have to.
Yeah. A little bit, maybe half teaspoon of black pepper.
That looks like a...
Hey!
1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon baking powder.
Okay, done. I might have put in huge clumps, but who
That's
cares?
okay. And we are gonna put 1 tablespoon. Oh, you're done? Okay, 1
Yes, sir.
tablespoon. 1 tablespoon, and I'm gonna check if it looks enough.
Okay.
1
In here?
tablespoon, yeah. Yeah.
There you
that's
go.
good.
Oh, Mom, I'm
That
not
looks
fine.
good.
Eh.
Yeah. We'll see if it doesn't. Yeah, I think it does look good. That's fine. Okay, so now we are gonna make the dough and we'll wait for it to rise. So this is our makeshift steamer because I don't have a proper regular steamer. So
Yeah,
in
get a
big
good
pot-
steamer, guys.
In a big pot, I have water and then a small bowl upside upside down.
You just put it like
And
that.
then I'm gonna put. You can even use a cake pan, I guess. Right? Yeah. But I have something with holes, so I'm gonna use this on top of
Whoa,
it.
look at
So
this.
this is gonna be my
Close it.
steamer. And I have 1 steamer basket. So in another big pot, I'm gonna use this steamer basket. Okay, now let's see our dough. So this is the dough. All
Whoa.
is enough.
Where is the chopstick going?
Hold on. We are gonna use the chopstick to make the bun.
Mom, you think it makes a really nice dome.
What?
Yeah, it makes a nice dome.
Okay.
Ouch.
Ooh, I want to eat
Ouch,
it.
ouch, ouch. Magic trick.
Can I eat it?
Ouch, ouch.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit.
Mmm.
It's not good to eat raw. I don't think so.
Which is exactly why I eat it raw.
Okay.
Hold on, kids, don't do that.
Rick,
Wait,
don't-
ouch, 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 ouch.
if you
ouch.
put too much,
Look at this. Where's the chopstick going? Hey, stop!
hold on.
What do I do? What do I do?
I'm gonna.
Am I supposed to act important?
Okay, wait. We're gonna make it into four equal parts.
All of it's for me.
Huh?
All of it's for me.
Wait, we need to
Yeah,
make
because you're
it.
the biggest more people.
Okay, here.
Now,
Oh, take
yeah.
out the pizza cutter.
where the heck? Oh, there it is.
Unfortunately, no. No, I probably can't see that. That was
Aha!
not
It's a green thingy.
You know, not right now. Wait.
No?
You're gonna. We need it, but hold on. Rick, hold on. Hold on.
Ooh, I want
But yes,
Eat up all the
roll
flour.
it.
roll it like this, like
Whoa.
this.
I have to-
Oh, it's so warm. It's so warm.
Yeah, roll
It's like
it.
a rock.
Rick, hold on, beta, hold on.
And then
Oh, it makes it
get all
flat.
that flour on.
Mom, is this MAGA?
If you put too much dry
Oops,
flour in
mommy,
this,
it broke.
okay, you need to roll it. No.
I'm gonna roll mine.
Okay, well,
Look at this. I'm a professional roller. Aha. I make money for a living. I actually print money for a living. Aha.
Okay, oh,
To the sucker.
oh, listen. Using pizza. No, actually, wait. We need to first.
Pizza cutter.
Hold on. We're gonna spray.
Oops.
it. Rick, brush it.
What?
We have the brush.
Ooh.
Oh no, you're ruining it.
Yo,
done.
it's good. My hands are rolling.
Oh, it's cut it into four strips. Roll it like this, yeah.
It looks like a cinnamon
And
roll.
yes, and like this. See, this is our bun.
Ooh, very nice.
And we are
I'm
gonna
gonna do
let
the
it
butterfly
rise
roll.
for. So we are gonna make it like this. What are you doing?
The butterfly one.
Butterfly. Okay. So like
You're
this.
so mean.
Rick
Yeah,
knows how
I
to make
am.
butterfly.
I have no idea what he's doing.
Okay, so
I'm gonna
then
make a
let him do it. Now Rick show how to do the
average.
butterfly.
Rick, are you average?
No.
You're weird.
I think it's too thin
Uh-oh.
for butterfly.
Haha, get
Nothing is too. I don't know how to finish that. How do I finish that?
Yeah.
Let's move.
You forgot. Okay, yeah, like
Stop.
this. And now
Oh my god.
Huh. Team butterfly.
your butterfly, your butterfly doesn't look healthy.
Butterfly. Can you guys see the resemblance? See? Antenna coming out.
Okay.
Wait a minute. I'll just
Oh,
take
what?
this off.
Why did you do that?
Because
Hold on.
their antenna were too long.
It's okay. We'll see whatever.
Me?
And I'm gonna make a different design this time. Wait, no, not that one.
No.
Actually, yeah, a little bit.
Ooh, a little bit.
Mom, you
A
know
little
what?
bit
Mom,
and
you know
brush
what
it.
would be crazy?
Yes.
Is if this got so
Brush
popular
it.
that we did Twitch streams.
I don't know what
Which
that is.
stream?
You don't know what Twitch is?
No.
You need to watch more Minecraft YouTube.
Okay.
I don't think people would watch a Twitch
I need a
cooking
spoon.
stream.
Rick, I need a
Yes, they
spoon.
would.
No, that's a gaming platform, and you should.
Okay. Now we are gonna spread our
Wow.
spring onion mixture. So this is a variation on the plain bun.
That's Gita
We can either make plain. Listen, we can either make plain or like this. This. And then again like
Some
this.
jelly.
Burrito!
Ooh, I want to eat.
It's like the steamed burrito.
Mm.
Steamed
Okay.
burrito.
Now a little bit
That's
of oil.
Dorito.
That's it. Oh, that's too much.
Yeah.
Oily food tastes better.
Okay, now we are gonna cut it.
Ooh, I call.
Cut it in half again. It has to be equal parts, around this thick. Okay, just cut that in half.
Mom, this thing wobbles.
Yeah,
That's
oh.
fine.
Like your
So
balance.
we are gonna take 2 of this.
And
See
then
how
we
we're
squish
gonna
them
do-
together.
No, not squish them. We can do that too. Actually, listen. We are gonna do this and then press it like this. Either we can leave it like this or hold on,
I have the best idea in
I'm
the
gonna
world.
tell you another way to do it. Press it and then
Slide it out.
lift it and then hold it like this.
Seems like you're breaking it.
Yeah.
And now we are gonna turn it and just press it.
That's way too
Another
Wow.
That's too.
So let's roll it in a rectangle. Okay, and now brush. It's around half a centimeter thick. Brush it with oil. Fold it half. And we'll cut it from the center and now we'll cut just the center. Okay.
Hey, this thing is still recording.
No, it's not right.
Let's make small one this time.
Yeah, it is.
So half.
Oh, wait a minute. No, it's not.
Doing good, Rick. Yeah, nice.
I want to do it.
Okay, wait, hold on. Let me make it a little bit wide. It's gonna be easier. I think for this design we made it too thin. We should have kept. We should have rolled it a little bit thicker. These buns needs to rest for 10 minutes 10 to 15 minutes.
They need to go to sleep.
And after that, we are gonna steam it for 15 minutes or until it gets
Mom,
dry.
I don't know
What
if
do I
these
do
cuts
here?
are good, but I just go all
This
the
is,
way.
it's fine.
What do I do here, mommy?
It's fine. You're gonna watch
I'm
and
gonna
see.
stand here.
And meanwhile, I have switched on my steamer, my gas for the water to
Ooh,
steam.
it looks nice.
We're gonna make 2 rolls out of this. So cut it in half. Yeah.
Imagine we made a super fat one.
Hey, doesn't this look like a mouth?
No, and then now stretch it.
I want to try.
Yeah.
Stretch it
And then
you
twist it.
Twist it.
Twist it and
Then
then
you
yeah,
roll over.
yeah, that's nice. It looks nice. And then so you hold it like this. Hold on, don't press it. Hold it like this,
Mm-hmm.
and then just press it with the.
What are you swinging
Leave
my
it.
back?
Leave it. Yeah, just press it with the chopstick. So then the end kind of.
Oh, they
Oh.
stick.
The end.
Oh.
sticks.
Okay. I think I got this one. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me cut it once
Mommy,
more right here.
Rig! It's gonna fall down. You're gonna waste.
A fourth of our dinner.
Yeah. And that will be, you will be the 1/4 of the family. So that means you won't get
No!
it.
That's unfair.
Now we stretch it gently.
I don't like you guys anymore.
And then
Yes.
now we twist
Yeah, this one looks
it.
very beautiful. And then,
You
yeah,
roll it
yeah, that's
like
nice.
that,
And then press it. Press it on, keep it on the,
like that.
yes,
And then
yeah.
we just sort of.
Yes. Perfect.
Ooh, this one looks very
Nice.
nice.
Yes.
I call this one.
Okay. Let's keep it here. This is how it looks after 10 minutes of steaming. It's still hot, so I'm gonna open it in maybe 2-3 minutes.
Finally, I get to eat something. I'm hungry.
Wait, are we on?
So this is, it looks shiny when it's done. We steamed it for 10
'Cause of the
minutes.
oil,
and
right?
it was, huh?
Because of the oil?
No, I don't think it's because of the oil.
Oh my god.
Try this one first. Try this
This is so
one.
good.
Try this one.
I'm gonna go take some
Ooh,
of
I'm
that.
gonna take the biggest one.
Yeah.
Do you guys want the biggest one?
Oh.
No, it's fine. You can take this.
Oh,
And our
what?
last
We're
load.
eating this special
Last
thing with it.
Yeah, but I've made Indian vegetables, so we are eating it with vegetable. And the last load is cooking. Just 4 more. We made more butterflies.
Guys, make this. This is actually so good.
Nice. Yeah, the layers look so nice. Like all the layers are clear. It's gonna be fun. And even inside, it's like really nice and fluffy.